Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Kelly Elan pochette or clutch. It is a retired style by Hermes and mine is from 2001. It is in swift leather and the color is called parchment. If you are not familiar with this style, it is a predecessor of Kelly pochette and to me it looks like a crossover between Kelly pochette and mini Kelly. There is no top handle, but instead, the handle is located on the back, so it can be used both as a clutch and a handbag. Guys, please let me know down in the comments if you knew about this bag. So I have decided to take my Kelly Elan clutch to Hermes to see if they can do a spa service for it. It's got some stains and scratches all over. I'm not really sure if there's anything that can be done at this point, but hopefully I want to at least ask them and see what they say about it. There's like a main dark stain here on the bottom. There's some water and liquid stains. It's hard to see right here on the side. Not sure if the camera is picking it up. Pretty much like all over it has some kind of stains and scratches. Also right here on the front there's like two raised bumps almost. At first I thought they were stains, but maybe they kind of look like they were maybe ink marks or something like that, and by trying to remove them, that's what created these kind of like bumpy looking areas. This is a pre-loved clutch, so I got this recently and it was already like basically in this condition, so I'm not sure what happened to it, like not sure what the origin of each stain or scratch is, but we'll see if Hermes can do anything about it. If not, I'll try and clean it up or restore it myself, but I just really wanted to see what they say and whether they can do anything before I do anything myself. There's also some staining on the inside, but it really honestly doesn't bother me that much. It just looks like maybe makeup or something like that. The ones on the outside are definitely what is more concerning, especially these two. But yeah, I'm taking it to Hermes and let's see what they say. So I wanted to record this update for you guys after taking it to the Hermes store, and it has been 3 months since I did take it there, and I actually have not heard any updates or anything from Hermes. The only thing I was able to find out is that the Paris store has received my clutch. When I contacted my boutique, they told me that all the communication from Paris will come directly to me in the form of email and phone call, and they will not be notified in my boutique on any updates at all. So they basically just told me to be patient and wait. They told me the whole process will take somewhere from 3 to 6 months. I did understand what I signed up for. It does kind of suck to be parted from the bag for so long, and of course I wanted to wear it this summer because it's a light color, and I was hoping for the best when they told me from 3 to 6 months. Of course I was hoping for 3 months instead of 6, but even though I was ready for it to take, 6 months as a worst case scenario, what I was not ready for is for the quote to take this long. And I actually went and researched online and I watched some YouTube videos on people who have taken their items to Hermes Spa before. The information I was able to find is the majority of people got their quotes anywhere from 1 to 2 months, but I would say it's a bit more rare to be waiting for 3 months, and that makes me wonder if maybe, you know, they thought the damage on it was so excessive. But honestly, I saw a YouTube video where the whole side panel of the Birkin bag was replaced with the new leather. So in my head, I thought maybe if they cannot take the stains out, they would replace the whole front of the bag. I don't know, maybe it's just wishful thinking. And another interesting thing that happened was when I went to that Hermes in the Making event and had a chance to actually talk to the artisan. This particular artisan was stationed where they were doing repair demos, and I told them the situation that I sent my bag out to the spot to Paris, and I told them about the leather type, the color, and he said this color is definitely retired, and I don't think there's anything that can be done. The demonstration itself showed such an ancient bags that looked like they were like 30 or more years old, and they were restored to perfection, and they seem to start out in much worse condition than mine. But for him to tell me that because it's a retired um, leather color combination, that he doesn't think that they will do anything, it was a bit disheartening. But you know, I'm still keeping my hopes up because I haven't heard anything back. I still hope that maybe he was wrong and they will be able to fix it. I am waiting patiently and keeping my hopes up. And as soon as I hear back from Hermes, as soon as I receive the email with the quotes, I will let you guys know in case you're interested. Because a lot of people probably would be interested to, you know, take their bags to the spa, but maybe they have never experienced it before and don't know exactly what to expect. So this way, at least you know the time frame. At least you know that there are certain limitations and they're not magicians. They can't fix absolutely everything. So yeah, I will definitely update you guys. So if you're interested in hearing how the story ends and you know, whenever I get the communication back from Hermes and when I get my bag back, definitely stay in touch and subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you found this information useful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.